Lily and Leo's Kitchen Adventure. Today was a very special day. Lily and Leo were turning the kitchen into a lab of flavors. To be real chefs, they needed their uniforms. Lily helped Leo tie his strings. "Safety first," she said. They put on their colorful aprons to keep their clothes clean from splashes and spills. First, they needed to find the right tools. Lily reached for a big, shiny bowl on the counter. "This is where the magic happens," she whispered. She also picked up a silver whisk. It had many loops of wire that looked like a metal balloon. "This will help us mix everything together." Now it was time for the ingredients. Leo found a heavy bag of flour. It felt soft and powdery. He used a plastic measuring cup to scoop out exactly what they needed. 1, 2, 3 scoops, Leo counted out loud. He made sure the top of the flour was flat and even. Lily and Leo wanted the flour to be extra light. They used a sifter. Lily held the handle and shook it gently. "Look, Leo, it's snowing," she giggled. The flour fell through the tiny holes like soft white dust, landing right into their big blue bowl. "Next comes the wet stuff," Lily explained. She picked up a smooth brown egg. She tapped it very gently on the side of the bowl. Crack! The egg opened, and the golden yolk plopped inside. Lily was very careful not to let any tiny pieces of shell fall into the mix. Now the fun part began. Leo grabbed the big wooden spoon. He pushed the spoon around and around in the bowl. At first it was easy, but soon the flour and eggs turned into a thick, sticky batter. "My muscles are getting a workout," Leo laughed as he stirred. The batter was ready for the oven, but the oven is very hot. Lily put on her thick, puffy oven mitts. They looked like giant dinosaur hands. "Only grown-ups touch the oven," Lily reminded Leo. They watched as their mom helped slide the tray into the heat. Now they had to wait. Leo sat on a rug and looked at the timer. It went tick-tock, tick-tock. "Waiting is the hardest part," Leo sighed. He watched the red line on the timer move slowly toward 0. Suddenly, the kitchen began to smell sweet and delicious. Ding! The timer finished. When the oven door opened, a cloud of warm air filled the room. Lily and Leo looked at the tray. The messy batter had turned into golden, fluffy muffins. "We made these from scratch," Lily shouted. They were tall, round, and smelled like heaven. Being a chef means cleaning up too. Leo grabbed a colorful sponge and some soapy bubbles. He wiped the flour off the counter until it sparkled. "Teamwork makes the muffins taste better," Leo said. They were proud of their hard work and ready for their next adventure.